Today, we're going to talk about being interrogated by law enforcement and the fact that sometimes they feed you information. They feed you information, they feed you a story, they feed you a plot line that they want you to adopt as your own, okay? I've seen it myself, observing interrogation videos of prior clients, and a lot of times they'll get a service member in there who's waived their right to remain silent, waived their right to consult with an attorney, and has agreed to speak with them, okay? And what will happen is that service member will deny or has no knowledge of what he's being accused of, okay? And slowly, those agents will start feeding that service member information. They'll say, hey, we talked to 4 people, and all these witnesses, all these 4 witnesses that we talked to say that you did what you're accused of. So all we need you to do is to tell us that that's what happened. Okay? So they'll feed you a story, they'll feed you statements that they want you to adopt as your own. Okay? And then they'll start putting in details. They'll say, hey, you took this item. No, I didn't. Well, we have people that say you took this item. And sure enough, after being in there for hours, that service member will start doubting themselves. They'll just want to get out of there. They'll say, you know what, yeah, I took it. And then they'll start feeding more information. So you took it and then you put it in your truck, right? And then the service member after a while will say, okay, yeah, I took it and then I put it in your truck. And then they'll feed them more information. So then you put it in your truck and then you took it to a storage unit, right? And then after a while, the service member will be like, okay, I took it, I put it in my truck, and I took it to the storage unit. Okay, and that's one of the tactics that they use regularly. Okay, they keep the person in there for hours. Okay, they start feeding them information. Okay, they start lying to them and saying, you know, all these people say that you did what you're accused of. We just need you to tell us that. And then, you know, that service member will get frustrated, and they'll start adopting those facts and those facts. They'll start adopting that story that those agents are telling them. And before you know it, at the end of the interview, they're writing a statement and adopting all those facts. So the best course of action to take is keep your fucking mouth shut. Invoke your right to remain silent. Invoke your right to speak to an attorney prior to questioning. Okay? Because anything you say can and will be used against you in trial by court-martial. Thank you very much. Follow this channel, and I'll be giving you more tips on the military legal system. Thank you.